In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record a presentation using Zoom. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to share your slides, start recording, and save your final video on your computer with confidence. Recording presentations in Zoom is a great way to create tutorials, lectures, or business presentations without needing any extra software. Everything you need is already built into Zoom. Let's go step by step. First, prepare your presentation before you start your Zoom meeting. Open your slide deck in advance so it's ready to go. This could be a PowerPoint, Google Slides, or any presentation tool you prefer. Make sure all your content is loaded properly, including images, videos, or animations. It's also a good idea to close any unnecessary applications and turn off notifications. This helps prevent distractions or accidental pop-ups during your recording. Choose a quiet environment, check your microphone quality, and make sure your camera is positioned well if you plan to appear on screen. Once everything is ready, go ahead and start a new Zoom meeting. Now, the next step is to share your presentation. Look at the bottom toolbar in Zoom and click the Share Screen button. A window will appear showing all the available screens and applications you can share. Select the window that contains your presentation, or choose your entire screen if you plan to switch between apps. If your presentation includes audio or video, make sure to enable the Share Computer Sound option so everything is captured clearly. After that, start your slideshow so it goes into full screen mode. This ensures your audience and your recording see a clean and professional presentation. Now it's time to start recording. On the Zoom toolbar, click the Record button. As soon as you click it, Zoom will begin recording your meeting. You'll see a small indicator showing that the recording is in progress, so you know everything is being captured. At this point, begin your presentation. Speak clearly and at a steady pace. Move through your slides smoothly and avoid unnecessary mouse movements to keep the video clean and easy to follow. If you're using presenter notes, try to keep them on a second screen or in a small window so they don't interfere with what's being shared. Remember, anything visible in your shared screen can be recorded. Take your time and present as if you're speaking to a live audience. Once you've finished your presentation, go back to the Zoom toolbar and click Stop Recording. After that, end the meeting by clicking End and then End Meeting for All. Zoom will automatically start processing your recording. You might see a short conversion window. Just let it complete. Once it's done, your video file will be saved to your computer in the folder you selected. You can then review, edit, or share your presentation as needed. Here are a few quick tips for better results. Always test your audio before recording. Keep your slides simple and readable, and practice once before recording to improve your confidence and flow. And that's it. With just a few simple steps, prepare your slides, share your screen, hit record, present, and end the meeting. You can create professional presentation videos anytime. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more easy tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.